Hi, myself Natheem. I'm working as a national sales manager in Molygraph in water soluble vertical. So we are the Molygraph. We are presenting ourselves in 2025 IMTEX with our special unique products. As you know, we are the brand of India. So we having a multiple range of segment here from aerosols, metalworking fluids, degreasers, cleaners, and etc. And we having a food grade greases with the product of halal and kosher certificates. Here the segments are metal cutting, metal forming, and the degreasers, graphol oils, and never rust preventive lubricants. All these are segments we are focusing for this future products. Here we are ready till to introduce our Pro generation product, Smooth Cut Pro 9100. These products come with the unique properties. This weight we are exclusive for aerospace and military grade applications. And the product give you up to 5 years sump life, and it comes with a chlorine, sulfur, boron free product, and it is an eco-friendly product. And its product give you the high productivity and longer sump life and a good CPC for your applications.